Okay guys, we're going to maiden flight the Mythos. It's a bit breezy, but it's made of well, whatever it is, EPP, so it should bounce nicely. So let's crack on. I've put the runway out because I'm going to try and take off from the deck. And this one's got rates on, so I'm going to go off with low rates to start. You won't hear me with the wind, so I'll stop talking now. Here we go. Good luck, Mythos. Hang on, let's hook it. Let's hook on. Hook on. Ooh, ooh. That's the thing with maidens, isn't it? I wasn't sure. In fact, it didn't take off, did it? Let's try loop. Hop. That's on low rates. Let's try roll. Whoa, hop. Blimey. She's a hot machine. Okay. Let's go to full rates on the aileron. Whoa. I can't handle that today in this wind. Blimey. Come on down. It's hardly a low inverted pass. The elevator's quite powerful. I might dial in a tad more expo on that, or less movement. Try and bring it back this way a bit. Loop. I think it'll probably do all these crazy stunts, well, because it will, but all in the fullness of time. It's very quiet. Oh, it's just too gusty low down for anything. Too silly. I just thought actually I won't be able to land on the runway because I'm right next to the windsock. Should have moved it further out. Certainly rolls. Let's try a low down roll. Let's try a reverse loop bunt. Here we go. Here we go. I'll go upwind in case it goes pear shaped and full down. Oh, easy. Just like control line days. Hey, fantastic. It's hard to tell if it's in trim or not. So much wind. I think I might need a bit of right trim actually. It's having so much fun. Oh, actually, I think it might have had a bit of left dialed in. Now, if I'm to land on this strip, I'm going to get awfully close to the windsock. I'll give it a go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, mind that windsock. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, good attempt, Cliff. Okay, so that's the Mythos maiden flighted. That was good fun. I enjoyed that. Bit gusty, but but enjoyable nevertheless. So I'll go and check the battery meter and I can set the timer up. But no, she flies beautiful. Really pleased, guys. See you in the next one. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed that, and see you in the next video. Cheers.